Most important learning license test questions. While overtaking your car, from which side you should pass? Left-hand side, right-hand side, convenient side. During foggy conditions, your headlights should be high beam, low beam, none of the above. What does this sign indicate? Give way, no parking, stop. While putting a brake on a slope, what should be used? Brake, speed, handbrake. What does this sign shows? Stop, no parking, no stopping. What does this sign mean? Speed limit, width limit, load limit. On two-way road, the driver must drive on the right side, center, left side. What does this sign indicate? Rest place, hospital, first aid post. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.